Gaming and Transmedia Storytelling Jobs by Jasmine Chavius. Social Media Account Coordinator. Social media account coordinators use storytelling through multiple social media platforms to engage with their brand's audience. Here's a social media account coordinator job example. The social media account coordinator's responsibility is to engage their audience on multiple platforms and keep the brand story going. Through social media, the audience gets to see the daily progress of a brand's development, new material, and the people involved that makes the brand who they are. Multimedia photojournalists. Multimedia photojournalists shoot and edit a variety of stories through combining text, images, sound, video, and graphics to deliver stories to an audience. Multimedia journalists often work for newspapers, radio, or television stations, or use computers in social media areas. Here's a multimedia photojournalist job example. A multimedia photojournalist job is to fully edit and produce content from scratch. We rely on the content that multimedia photojournalists provide every day when we watch the news, listen to the radio, read information online, and even when we view graphics. A creative director. Creative directors are the creative leads at advertising and marketing companies working with designers, artists, copywriters, sales teams, and marketers to create a vision for products sold. Creative directors plan advertising, oversee the creative process, and give guidance to the creative people that work under them. Here's a creative director job example. Creative directors rely on transmedia marketing to expand their brand to multiple outlets. Some of these outlets include television, commercials, website apps, video games, online games, books, cinema, movies, web series, and social media. Publicists. Publicists understand digital and new media platforms and how to translate knowledge into creating transmedia campaigns for all clients. A publicist's main responsibility is to build and maintain positive and engaging relationships with media, print, broadcast, online blogs, consumer mainstream, urban, tech, and trade press. Here's a publicist's job example. Without the hard work of publicists, the stars we know and love wouldn't have marketing campaigns that influence us to buy their products. These stars depend on their publicists to book their jobs and keep their names in the press. Game producer. The game producer's job is focused on 5 main areas: facilitating communication, planning development procedures, establishing schedule milestones, monitoring the budget, and supervising the staff. Here's a game producer's job example. When video game developers promise us a release date, it is in the game producer's hands to make sure that deadline is met. Hundreds of people can be working on a game at a time, but the game producer is the one who makes sure everyone is on the same page. Game designer. Game designers have duties like designing characters, levels, puzzles, art, and animation. They may also write code using various computer programming languages. Here's a game designer job example. Video game designers are the brains behind the story. The stories that they develop in the video game's plot will keep the fans engaged. Many of these video game stories have become a huge part of pop culture.
Created using Powtoon.